Checking out the GoTrax R1. Now this is their 20-inch foldable model, and the motor is 350 continuous watts with a 500 watt peak rating. It's a lightweight bike coming in just around 45 pounds compared to some other 26-inch models that are heavier than 70 pounds. So what a difference getting that loaded into your vehicle. It's got a nice range of adjustment on the handlebar and seat height, so it'll fit a variety of riders. It comes with some really nice features like a headlight, luggage rack, and brake lights. The tires on the R1 are about 2 1/4 inches wide, and it has a generous payload of 264 pounds. Of course, you get nice disc brakes, front and rear. Just press and hold this button to turn on the large color screen. The controls are super easy to use. Just use the plus/minus buttons to scroll through your power assist levels 0 through 5. Short press this button to turn on or off the headlight, and short press this button to scroll through your menu options. It even has these clever folding pedals to give you a little more room when it's in transport. You know, one thing I wondered about is how durable these connections are, and this is one thing that GoTrax absolutely got right. The connections and the hinges, everything is super sturdy, and when you lock it in place, you would never know that it's a folding bike. Same thing with the main frame hinge, everything is incredibly stable. So if you're looking for a foldable e-bike with 20-inch rims, I really think this GoTrax R1 is a nice choice. You get all sorts of features with it, like the luggage rack, headlight, brake lights, front and rear disc brakes, and it all comes in a really lightweight, compact package. Just 45 pounds on that, so anybody should be able to lift this into their rig, and I tell you what, it'll fit into any hatchback or small SUV. So really appealing for getting out on those camping trips or just hitting the trails in the spring and summer. I think if you decide on this GoTrax R1, you'll really be happy with it.